So, what are stretch marks firstly? First of all, what are the causes and how we can prevent them, and then how we treat them. Puberty. Commonly, we notice stretch marks on the back or like horizontal lines. Now, how we can prevent these stretch marks is, so आज बात करेंगे stretch marks के बारे में because बहुत commonly patients आते हैं and they're very worried about their stretch marks. So, what are stretch marks firstly? So, stretch marks are linear scars in the skin which happen because of collagen and elastin degradation. मतलब जितना भी जो हमारा स्किन के अंदर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू होता है वो डिग्रेड हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ सडन स्ट्रेच और सडन श्रिंकेज ऑफ द स्किन. सो कभी भी स्किन पे ज्यादा प्रेशर पड़ता है या सडनली देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ कोलेजन और इलास्टिन तो स्किन में स्ट्रेच मार्क्स पड़ जाते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आर द कॉजेज एंड हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट देम and then how we treat them. So this is what we are going to discuss here today. Pregnancy. Now pregnancy, as we know, that is sudden weight gain. So again, it varies from patient to patient who is going to get stretch marks, who is not. There are a lot of patients who don't even get stretch marks during pregnancy. So of course, there are certain inherent factors to it, like certain genetic predisposition is there, certain hormonal changes contribute, and of course, how hydrated the person's skin is, and of course, if they're exercising. So these are certain factors which will have an individual variation. So it will depend. Not everybody who gets pregnant will get stretch marks. Secondly, puberty. Commonly, we notice stretch marks on the back or like horizontal lines. So that is because of the sudden growth spurt. Thirdly, any kind of sudden weight gain or weight loss. So if you know we go to the gym and suddenly we start really working out hard, so that is when we start getting stretch marks. If there is a sudden change, so again any kind of sudden weight gain or weight loss will lead to stretch marks because at that time there is a sudden stretch or sudden shrinkage of skin. So that leads to stretch marks. Fourthly, if you're working out in the gym and there is weight training, so that increases the muscle bulk suddenly and that leads to again stretch on the skin and of course stretch marks. So these are the few causes, and of course as I already mentioned, along with that there is always a genetic predisposition and again hormonal changes and certain inherent tendency to get stretch marks. Now how we can prevent these stretch marks is, first of all, it's always better to keep your skin moisturized. Even during pregnancy we tell our patients keep the skin moisturized because a hydrated skin will always get lesser stretch marks. Secondly, certain topical agents are available to prevent, but again not everything, especially during pregnancy, not everything can be used. Thirdly, your diet also plays an important role. So a healthy diet will always promote increased collagen formation and will prevent stretch marks. So now let's talk about how we can deal with these stretch marks. There are certain topical agents which your dermatologist can prescribe you. Along with that, certain in-house treatments will also be done. Now the treatment protocol will also depend on the type of stretch marks. Suppose that the stretch marks are fresh, they are reddish, which are called striae rubra. Treatment works better in that profile because they are fresher, so there is more activity there. And that time the topical agents work better. But once they have become white, which are called striae alba, usually topical agents do not work and we have to go for in-house clinical treatments. So for these treatments, you have to visit your dermatologist, and the treatment options available are microneedling RF, fractional CO2 laser, along with that PRP. So all these procedures help in the skin rejuvenation and they help us improve the stretch marks. Now it is very difficult to get rid of the stretch marks 100%, but definitely we can try to achieve 60 to 70% result. Complete removal is not possible, but yes, the appearance does become better. So that's all. And in case of any queries, please you can contact us on the numbers given below. Thank you.